Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This, as you can see, is something a bit different. I wanted to build an engine that anyone who had a 3D printer could build and run without having to use the compressed air equipment. What better than to build an engine which could run using a balloon? Well, this turned out to be easier said than done. The balloon provides so little air pressure that the engine design had to run freely and easily. Not easy with the tolerances associated with 3D printing. I've quite a lot of test and failed parts around me, as you can see, to get this engine to work. The end result of a working engine, though, was very satisfying, and I wanted to share it with you. I hope you enjoyed watching it running. It was quite a challenge. Click to follow my channel for more engine designs and ideas in the future. Bye for now.